Hey, my name is Alexa. I'm a marketer here at GoSearch, and today I'm going to show you how to use our AI Summary and Preview feature for Google Docs within GoSearch. So to start, you're going to navigate to the GoSearch dashboard, and then we're going to click on the search bar. So as a marketer, I do a lot of customer testimonial videos, so let's say I want to revisit that process. I can type in customer testimonial process, and GoSearch is going to surface a couple of different Google Docs for me. Now, when I hover over this box, it gives me the option of clicking AI Summary. From here, the AI is going to provide a whole summarization of what's within the document, so I can get a quick snapshot without actually having to click on the Google Doc. Now from here, I could click Ask a Follow-Up, and it'll transfer this conversation over to the GoAI chat, where I can ask more questions about this content. I could also click Regenerate if I want new results. I could click Copy to copy and paste all of this content, and you can also give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down to help train the AI to give you the best responses possible. Now another option is to click on the preview button. When I click on this, GoSearch is going to provide me with a preview of the actual document itself, so I can see the exact contents without having to click out of GoSearch. So yeah, that's how you use our AI Summary and Preview features for Google Doc. I hope that was helpful, and have a great rest of your day.